Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nintendo Switch OLED dock and display settings, full guide step by step clearly. To set up your Nintendo Switch OLED dock, start by unpacking the dock from its packaging. Locate the dock's back cover and gently slide it open. Insert the included AC adapter into the port labeled AC adapter on the back of the dock. Plug the other end of the AC adapter into a wall outlet. Next, take your HDMI cable and connect one end to the HDMI out port on the dock. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV or monitor. Now, place your Nintendo Switch OLED into the dock, ensuring that the console is securely seated. Turn on your TV or monitor and select the appropriate HDMI input. Once your Switch powers on, navigate to the system settings from the home screen. Scroll down to TV output settings and select it. Ensure that the resolution is set to automatic. You can also adjust the RGB range based on your display capabilities. For optimal performance, consider selecting YUV420 for a better color output. Next, check the TV resolution option, ensuring it is set to the highest available resolution your display supports. If you wish to enable Match TV refresh rate, toggle this option on for smoother gameplay. Make sure to return to the home screen once you're done adjusting settings. If necessary, test your gameplay to ensure everything is displaying correctly. With these steps complete, your Nintendo Switch OLED dock and display settings are now fully set up. Enjoy your gaming experience on the big screen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.